Good morning to all of us. Happy Saturday. And now I finish only my life, so I'm very glad. You see, yesterday it's like this one also, but when I touch that chicken, so thank you for the 13 views, the likes, the tens, the chat. And adoration. Okay, so thank you. How many, what's that? How hours that I have? So thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you to all subscribers, not subscribers, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, same as usual. Thank you. And that is my second day of this month for my life. And thank you very much that you are still support, giving your chance, giving your time to watch that. And this one is the drawing and the music in the summer class of CC of the art in the drawing, so that's what she do. Wow, keep it up, CC. It's very nice. This one also last time. At least she enjoy and she developed. She's starting to develop already. And now is outside. That is the time now. Is almost 5 a.m. in the morning. It's I think 5 o'clock and 10 minutes yata. Okay, so look, same as usual. Ganun ang work. Ganun ang life. Kaya ito, mag-finish muna tayo. Nigpit ng bago magkamang. Before I go to the bathroom, I have to fix everything. Continue lang. At least I have Lord, for the another day. Thank you, Lord, for the another day. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you for all blessings to all my family, angkan of my mother's side and father's side, to my mga madam, to all mga madam in this world, and to my employer, to my madam, and to my sir, and the family of my madam, and the family of sir also, and their friends, and to Sisi. Thank you so much that you are giving also a support what I need while I'm still working in this and while in the kumbaga in my journey, that is my journey of my life. So I'm so blessed and glad, and thank you to all people in this world, that even we are belonging to different countries and the different nationalities, that we are still with God bliss and with God help, and God provide everything, whatever we need. Thank you so much, and say bye-bye and happy Saturday. Keep safe lagi. whatever you do and wherever we are. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. Have a nice madaling araw. And good luck to my all nieces, mga apo sa tuhod, mga cousins and relatives, my brother, and mga kababataan, mga ka-childhood, ka-hometown na belong na sila sa social medias already, and to some blogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning until now, and some bloggers also that you are already successful. Ingatan nyo, keep safe that one, because that is blessings from above, from God above, and to all of us. So thank you so much talaga for the support, and say bye bye.